I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 7 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. And this one, yes, and go to insert and take this shape and drag this shape by holding Shift Alt. And give it some different color, from the recent color that I have picked earlier. So shape outline, make it no outline. I'm going to give it some gradient color. Okay, I need only 2 stops, so I am going with 2 stops and delete extra stop, give the recent color, and make one of the point little bit darker that the gradient become visible. Go to more color and make it little bit darker. Okay, direction from left to right. Control D to duplicate it and make it little bit smaller. Let me Control D to duplicate it and make it little bit smaller. Shape fill, white fill, and put it at the center of the first shape. Select both and give it a shadow effect. Let me give it shadow effect. I am going with this shadow effect, and this one transparency will be increased to around about 68. Size will be 102, and I'm going to blur will be 7. Again, select this one, Control D to duplicate it, make it a little bit bigger in size, and put it in. Okay, here shape fill, no fill, shape outline, make it white outline. Again, go to shape outline and make it switch to little bit bigger and dashes. Let me select all these and put it here at the side of the slide. Okay, go to shapes and take another shape and drag this shape and drag it horizontally, make it horizontally. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect and color of the shape. Make it little bit smaller in size, and again make it little bit more smaller and put it here at the end of this shape, at the start of this shape, sorry. Again, go to insert and take an oval shape and drag an oval shape by holding Shift Alt. Select this one, Control Shift C, and transfer the effect to this oval shape, Control Shift V. Make it a little bit bigger in size. Yes, again Control D to duplicate it and make it bigger in size, and put it here over the first oval shape, and shape outline, give it white color, versus shape fill, no fill, and shape outline give the same color as the first oval shape color. Make it at the center and Control G to group it and put it here at this corner. I'm going to make it at the center of the line. So let me drag a straight line from this oval shape to this corner. Select this line, Control Shift C, and transfer the effect, Control Shift V. Now let me place it here. I need some text that I typed earlier to save the time, so I'm going to bring this text, Control C, and by holding Control V, by clicking Control V to bring it to the slide. Put it here and make it white. Select this one and give the same color as the shape color. Now select this one, Control G to group it. Control D to duplicate it. Let me make it ungroup. Oh, sorry. Control Z to bake. Make it ungroup. And now I am going to place it. Okay. Let me Control D to duplicate it. Select these two shapes. Control D to duplicate it and put it here and some distance. By holding Shift, select these groups one by one and Control D to duplicate it. I am going to align these shapes with the same distance, that the distance from each other is equal, to make the distance from each other is equal. Okay, you can increase or decrease these shapes according to your requirements. Okay, select again and Control D to duplicate it. Select all these two groups and the line segment and Control D to duplicate it. Deselect, select this group only and now move it. Again select, Control D to duplicate it, and this is the last step, so I am going to put it here at some distance, at equal distance. Let me select all these and put it at the center of the slide and bring the headline to the center and make it a little bit smaller in size. Also the design, make it small and put it here. I'm going to bring some icons from this icon tab. You can find your desired icon here in this icon tab. Just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon here in the search icon bar. Icon tab, sorry. I need only 7 icons, so I'm going to insert it and bring it to the slide by holding Shift Alt and make it a little bit smaller. Give it the same color as the design color and put it here, these icons one by one over these white shapes. Affidavit icon goes here and growth icon goes here. And thank you for watching. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you.